how to create a new Gmail account. So go to the Google main page, so it's google.com, and when you reach here, search for create Gmail, and the top result will be create your Gmail account. So click on that. Okay, so this window will come up. You want to just put your name in. Okay, choose a username, and then you want to choose a password. Okay, once you've chosen a password, you click on next. Okay, so if this is just an example, if the username you've chosen is not available, it'll let you know here, obviously with the red box and with a disclaimer that says that username is taken, try another. And just below here where it says available, it gives you some other options. Okay, if you find one that you like, click on them. If not, you can just put something else on. Okay, I'm going to click on next. Okay, that one's available. Here, you will ask if you want to verify your account with your number, but it's optional. Okay, you don't have to. You can also put in a recovery email address. That's also optional, but it is helpful. Both these options, I would recommend putting your cell phone or your mobile number in, and if you've got another email address, just in case this email address you have any sort of access issues with it, like you forget your password or your email address. Put in your date of birth and your gender. You have an option of female, male, rather not say. You can click on custom, and it'll ask you what gender, what's your gender. You can put in whatever you want, or you can please refer to me as male, female. I'm just gonna put male. Okay, so these are the privacy and terms and conditions from Google. You can have a read of them. There's some more options below here as well. These are settings you can change later on, but these are just the default. Send me occasional reminders about these settings. It's up to you. But these two here are the most important, the last two. Click on create account. Okay, and congratulations, you have created a Gmail account.